Hi, I'm Mr. Class, and welcome to today's video on the Mr. Class channel, where we break down a variety of topics into easy to understand lessons. Today's topic is fitness, which is very important in our everyday lives. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started, or you're already engaged in fitness and just need a refresher, you'll find this lesson helpful. The great part about getting fit is that it doesn't have to be confusing, expensive, or intimidating, and there are many ways to make it fun. If you want to feel healthier and have more energy, or you just want to understand how fitness works, this video is for you. I will break down the basics of fitness, what it means to be fit, how to start working out, and how to build a routine that actually sticks. No gym membership or fancy equipment is required, just your body and a little motivation. So let's jump right in. Part 1. What is fitness? Fitness isn't just about having six-pack abs or running marathons. At its core, fitness is your body's ability to perform daily activities with strength, endurance, and flexibility. It involves five main components: cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. But don't worry about remembering all those terms. What matters is moving your body regularly in a way that makes you feel stronger and more alive. Part 2. Types of exercise. There are a few different kinds of exercise, and each plays a role in your overall fitness. Cardio exercises like walking, running, swimming, or cycling get your heart pumping and improve endurance. Strength training helps you build muscle and burn more calories even at rest. This could be lifting weights, doing push-ups, or using resistance bands. Flexibility exercises like stretching or yoga keep your muscles and joints moving well and help prevent injuries. And then there's balance training, which is especially important as we age. It can be as simple as standing on one leg or trying Tai Chi. Part 3. How to start working out. Starting a fitness routine can feel overwhelming, especially if you haven't worked out in a while, or perhaps ever. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with what you enjoy. If walking feels good, do that. If dancing around your living room makes you happy, that counts too. Hey, I'm a bit of a salsa dancer myself. Haha. The goal, really, is to get your body moving. Whatever activity you choose, you don't need to work out for hours. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. And if you're just starting, you can begin with 2 or 3 days a week and slowly add more as you build confidence. Part 4. Warming up and cooling down. Before jumping into any workout, it's important to warm up. A good warm-up prepares your body by increasing blood flow to your muscles and reducing the risk of injury. Think light movements, arm circles, leg swings, or a slow jog. And then, after your workout, don't forget to cool down. That's when you stretch, breathe, and let your heart rate return to normal. It helps your muscles recover and leaves you feeling more relaxed afterward. Part 5. Building a simple weekly routine. A solid fitness routine doesn't need to be complicated. Here's an easy example to get started. You could do a short walk or jog on Monday. Bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups on Wednesday. And a stretching or yoga session on Friday. The key is consistency, not intensity. You're better off moving a little bit every day than pushing too hard once a week and burning out. As they say, lots of times, slow and steady wins the race. Part 6. Fueling your body, the basics of nutrition. Exercise is just one part of being fit. What you eat plays a huge role in how you feel and perform. Your body needs fuel to function. That fuel comes from food, especially whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Make sure to drink plenty of water, limit overly processed foods, and try not to skip any meals. And remember, you don't need to follow a strict diet or dramatically change your entire nutrition and lifestyle. Small, sustainable changes are the ones that stick. Part 7. Rest and recovery matter too. It might surprise you, but rest is just as important as working out. Your muscles grow and repair when you rest, not while you're exercising. That's why it's important to take days off, get enough sleep, and listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or exhausted, take it easy. Pushing through pain can lead to injuries that set you back. So don't just go hard all the time. Make sure to take time to rest and recover as needed. Part 8. Common myths about fitness. Now let's bust a few myths. First of all, you don't need to lose weight to be fit. Fitness is about how you feel and function, not a number on the scale. Second, you don't need a gym membership or expensive gear. Your body is enough. So while going to the gym or getting fancy equipment can help motivate you, it is not necessary. There are many simple exercises and activities that are enough for you to be fit. And finally, results take time. You won't see changes overnight, but stick with it and your body will thank you in the long run. Remember to just keep going and eventually you'll see the results. Part 9. Staying motivated. Motivation can come and go, so building a habit is key. Try setting small goals, like working out 3 times a week or drinking more water. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Working out with a friend, following a fitness app, or keeping a journal can help keep you accountable. And on days when you don't feel like moving, just get started. 5 minutes of activity is always better than none. So get out there and just do it. And that's it. We've reached the finish line. I hope this video gave you helpful insights and the confidence to start or improve your own fitness journey. Make sure to find what works for you and do it on your own terms. Try to engage in exercises and activities that you enjoy. Don't forget to combine it all with good nutrition and rest. And do your best to stick with it and stay motivated. You can do it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple, beginner-friendly guides to everyday topics. Got a question about fitness? Drop it in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Mr. Class.